Hey guys, welcome to this episode where we install the Natural Locks. So let's start by soaking my hair as it becomes a bit hard to comb while dry. So then I'll use the micellar hair cream to ensure the water doesn't dry up quickly. Alright, time to undo the braids. So my hair has definitely shrunk because of, the water. So we are done. Now let's quickly do the cornrows. I'm using the camera as my mirror and it's definitely not 100% reliable. I think 5 lines or 4 per side is just enough for the hairstyle. And this clipping helps hold the hair a bit. The lines actually are not the same size, but that doesn't matter at all. So the hair cream apparently is meant for the cornrows too. So let's go in with it. And that is it. Now to the crocheting. I mostly get my hair from the Best Lady and the color is 230. So take a strand of the hair, insert the crochet, then insert the hair strand and lock it. Just that simple. I usually do it randomly and then go back and fill the spaces. And so to the second hair. As you can see, I leave the front part for the last steps. So now the third hair. just don't mind. I was so sleepy. It took me about 2 hours from detangling my hair to doing the cornrows and all. So that is it, some front part. Imagine I'll have to fill after 2 days to evade the pain. The cornrows are tight, and plus I don't want to stretch my edges. So I opted for this hairstyle. Bye.